Another strong storm system will be impacting the southern and southeastern U.S. here later this week. Pretty similar to last week, but the only difference is that we're not dealing with as much cold air, so the amount of snow and ice will be less. Southeastern flooding, though, some severe weather and warmer temperatures as we set into next week. Today's severe threat is up near the Arklatex region, a slight risk, and then the marginal threat extending all the way to the Florida Panhandle. But large hail damaging winds can't rule out some isolated tornadoes, and then the threat tomorrow shifts from the Outer Banks down to Florida, including the Tampa-Fort Myers region. And on Saturday, the Outer Banks under that marginal threat once again. So heavy rain will be a possibility. We're looking at maybe some 2 to 4 inch amounts, especially along the coast from Hatteras down to the Pensacola region, and some pretty widespread 1 to 2 inch tallies elsewhere. Even into the central and the southern U.S., we're looking at some 1 to 2 inch tallies, again, north of Dallas to Little Rock, and some very strong winds. High wind warnings posted across the plains down into Texas, maybe some 50-plus mile-per-hour winds this afternoon, and then a winter weather advisory posted west of the Dallas Fort Worth Metroplex and north of the Hill Country. But there's your strong winds, again, approaching 60 out near Amarillo and Lubbock. And then on the tail end of that, generally overnight tonight, early tomorrow morning, some snowfall could be approaching 2 to 4 inches. Maybe some isolated 5-inch tallies, again, as that colder air settles on in overnight tonight. We do get into some quieter weather for a brief period before some additional moisture rolls into the northwest. Number of winter weather headlines continuing in the Cascades and northern Rockies, where snowfall will be heavy at times. Coastal communities, especially up near the Olympics, will get some decent moisture. Temperatures in Los Angeles today into the mid-70s. That's warmer than average. We're also expecting to see a warm bubble approach the Gulf Coast states over the next few days. But look at this. The extended outlook next week, December 18th through the 22nd, suggests that most of the nation will be warmer than average. A mid-December thaw coming up with minimal snowfall potential.